So for this, we're going to talk about doing a stall test. So I want to make sure my pressure gauges are holding. So to do that, I'm going to spray and then stop when this indicator light is in the normal or retract position. It doesn't matter for this first bit. And then I'm going to be watching these pressure gauges to see if they're holding or not. And then I'm going to come back and spray and stop in the other position and do the same thing. And I'm wanting to see if these pressure gauges are holding pressure or if we're losing pressure. And if we are losing pressure, it could be a good chance that it's time to service these pumps, or there could be a check ball that's not seating properly. And we have other videos we'll link here to show what to do in that instance. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and spray and get this into the different position. So now that it's in the retract position, I'm going to be watching these gauges to make sure that they're holding. Give it about 5 to 10 seconds and then spray, and then I'm going to stop in the normal position. And now that we're in the normal position, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm watching these gauges to make sure that they're holding. We're not losing any pressure. And if we are, that could be a cause for a pressure imbalance.